3 iPhone or iPad secrets that you actually didn't know. So let's jump on. Number 1, the maps. So if you see this logo around the map, if I open maps, you can see that this is actually Apple's headquarters. So that is what is that little circle here. That is what is this little circle here. That is Apple's actual headquarters in California. So that is what is this circle. They cut it off the circle, but that is Apple's headquarters in California. Number 2, voice memos. In voice memos, if you see that waveform, it is the waveform if we say the word Apple. So let's hear. So if we say the word Apple, that's the word for Apple, 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 Apple. So if you see, that's what is the waveform for actually Apple. And finally, for number 3, if you open Safari, if you see these reading lists, those glasses here are the same glasses as what Steve Jobs actually wears. So in the reading list, you see those 2 glasses. So wherever you see it, an Apple phone or settings or wherever, it is basically Steve Jobs glasses. So Steve Jobs glasses. Those are the 3 secrets. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned these 3 new tricks or 2 new secrets. In fact, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. See you.